6-Bit software integrates with multiple sites. HIP eCommerce is one of those sites and is available under all subscription levels of 6-Bit. Keep in mind that if you're adding HIP as a second site, you will need to be on the Enterprise Duo edition of 6-Bit or higher. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to enable and authorize HIP eCommerce in 6-Bit. To begin, you will need to contact HIP eCommerce via email and request an API key. The email address to contact is support@hipecommerce.com. When requesting the key, you must provide your HIP username and email address. It is important to note that you will need to request an API key for each individual HIP platform, including stamps, comics, and postcards. Once HIP has emailed you back with the API keys, we can enable HIP eCommerce in 6-Bit. We already have our API key saved in our clipboard, so we can get started. In 6-Bit, click File and then Options from the drop-down menu. On the Sites tab, check the box next to HIP eCommerce to enable the site and check the appropriate platform. We are adding our HIP comic account, so we will check this box and click OK. 6-Bit will open the Select Profile window and ask if we want to add our HIP eCommerce seller account to an existing profile or create a new one. Choose the option that best suits your needs. We are going to add HIP to our existing profile and click OK. On the Profile window, click the HIP tab and enter your HIP user ID in the User ID field. Then click the Authorize button next to the appropriate platform. Enter the API key provided by HIP eCommerce and click OK. You will know the authorization was successful when you see a check mark next to the HIP platform on the Profile window. We can now start creating HIP listings and managing our sales and inventory across multiple channels.